Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the spiked blanket stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the double crochet spike stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3. I have already made 21 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 2 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. So that's 1 and 2 in that chain. Skip 2 chains. Into this next chain, make a single crochet, a double crochet into that same chain, and then a second double crochet into that same chain. So that's going to be a single crochet and 2 double crochet all together in that chain. Skip 2 chains and we're going to make that again. Into that next chain, make a single crochet, a double crochet, and then a second double crochet all together. Skip 2 chains. Into this next one, make a single crochet, a double crochet, and another double crochet. Skip 2 chains. Into this next one, make a single crochet, a double crochet, and then another double crochet all together. Skip 2 chains. Into this next one, make a single crochet, double crochet into that same chain, and another double crochet into that same chain. Skip 2 chains. Into the last chain of our row, we're going to make that same thing. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and then another double crochet all together in that last chain. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. We're going to be doing the same sequence of a single, double, double, except one of our doubles is going to be a spike. So to start off, you're going to skip the first 2 stitches. You're going to be working into this next one, which is going to be a previous single crochet. You're going to make a single crochet, then 1 double into that same stitch. Now we're ready to make our first spike. So it's going to be a double crochet spike, which is essentially just a long double crochet. You're going to be making that spike not into this stitch, but the one right below it, which happens to be a chain. But going forward, it will be a stitch right below it. So you're going to make that double crochet right here into this space, that long double crochet or just double crochet spike. And that's how that's going to look. Now you're going to skip 2 stitches again into this next one, which is a previous single crochet. We're going to be working into that one. Make a single crochet, make a double crochet. We're ready to make our double crochet spike, which is going to be into this space right here. So not this one that we're working into, but this one right below it. So you're going to make that double crochet spike into that space. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, make that single crochet, regular double crochet in that same stitch. We're ready to make our double crochet spike, which is going to be worked into this stitch or space. Just like that. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, make a single crochet. Make a regular double crochet into that same stitch. Make a double crochet spike into the stitch or space underneath. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, make a single crochet. Make a regular double crochet into that same stitch. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, make a single crochet, a regular double crochet into that same stitch, double crochet spike into this stitch or space underneath it. Skip 2 stitches into this next stitch, make a single crochet, regular double crochet, then double crochet spike into this stitch or space underneath. Skip 2 stitches into this last stitch of our row, make 1 single crochet, 1 regular double crochet, and then a double crochet spike into this stitch or space underneath. So it's going to look like that. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the spiked blanket stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.